Hey everyone, this is Jesse with VMP Performance, and today we're going to give you a product update on our 163R monoblade throttle bodies. You may be experiencing random fail-safing after extended driving. That is due to the motors getting a little hot, moving this big throttle blade around. What we've done is we've added a heat sink to the throttle body motor itself. Now this snaps right on, but we're going to use a dab of ultra gray RTV just to hold it in place. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a little dab, stick it right there in the center. You don't want to cover the whole area because you do want the metal to metal contact so that heat transfer actually does occur. Once that RTV is in place, you're going to put the heat sink in place, let it dry, and you're good to go to drive. Once you have your heat sink installed, you can return to normal driving and your random fail-safing issues should be taken care of. If you have a large blade throttle body and you're experiencing issues, go ahead and give us a shout. We do have the solution for you. Other than that, go ahead and like, share, subscribe to all our social medias to keep updated with more product updates in the future.